Огонь на подавление! Враг сзади по левому флангу! Противник на северо-востоке! Противник северо-запад! Противник на юге! Они атакуют с юго-востока! Заметьте, противник на юго-западе! Вражеская...
What's up, gamers? So we just arrived to the second game devlog, where I will refactor the code, add more fancy weapons, make even more things destructible and much more things. So let's jump into it.
Nice hat!
Beckit, you can just copy the whole code refactoring page from Wikipedia, but why not? Developing networks like... what the fuck? So after I finished with the code refactoring, I added more destructible objects, because so far you can only destroy this tree, which you may know from the previous vlog, and this wood pole. Holy crap!
Introduction to Unity Physics. Unity Physics is a deterministic rigid body dynamic system.
Well, so far so good, but now let's do some real work. So basically I made the object fragmentation quite easy. For example, here is this couch, and all I have to do is to select it, push the fragment button that creates a new fragmented object, and delete the original one, cause we don't need that anymore. And if everything went well, we can now destroy the couch.
お前はもう死んでいる。
It is what it is.
Target neutralized.
Well, it looks like I forgot to add the script, but yeah, basically works like this. So now we can add more objects, and if it was already fragmented, we only have to copy it and put it in the right place. Otherwise, if the object is not fragmented, then I have to go through the same process I showed you earlier with the couch. But who cares? Let's see some gameplay finally.
Deterministic.
It's all great, but I felt like something was still missing. Destroy these objects were not satisfying anymore.
Bucket, I thought we are friends. But look at us now.
That was it. Destroy the food market. I mean, the fucking food market.
Later.
Rest in pepperoni fucking food market.
The physics are looking good though.
Mr. Newton, could you take a look at this?
Gravity was invented in 1687. The world in 1686.
Wait, what?
The struggle is real. I couldn't make the fucking food market destructible because of performance issues. Or can I?
No.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer every night.
Well, the next thing was to improve the gun, because I realized that the real ones have muzzle flash. So after adjusting the particle system for solid 10 minutes, I realized that I selected the wrong one and it doesn't have effect on the muzzle flash. But finally I fixed it and I think the result is quite good. And it was also time to add some new weapons. So first I added the
SM_wep_assault rifle_01.
And the best thing is that now I don't have to click 1,000 times to kill a zombie, because the pistol is a semi-automatic weapon and this one is a fully automatic. So I just hold the mouse button and it keeps shooting. Beckit, do you know that you can change this behavior by modifying a single line in the code, right? So the next weapon is a bit unusual because it's a...
Sausage!
The sausage man is not real and it can't hurt you.
Good evening.
No, God, it's not a sausage, but
SM_wep_.
Okay, shut up, it's a flamethrower.
_
So the main inspiration to add this weapon was that I thought it would make the game more unique. And I don't even know many games that has a flamethrower. Okay, can we stop? What is this bullshit? I added this weapon because the asset I used for this game contains it, so I just had to drag and drop, and it was done. Alright, there is another important thing which is not implemented yet, and that is the... Exactly, the sound effects. Wait, it's all fake sound effect.
Always has been.
Finally awake. You were trying to cross the border, right?
Man, all I was trying to cross is your mom. Okay, the next thing was to add some Audi. Audi? How to pronounce it?
How?
Alright then, keep your secrets.
Alright, so I added this sound effect for the pistol, this one for the assault rifle, and this for the flamethrower.
Yeah, boy.
Then I also add some sound effects to the zombies.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
But there is another feature that I missed from the game, and that is the enemy's health bar. But because I'm a Photoshop expert, there is no reason to worry, because we are already done. But we have another problem as well, because the health bar doesn't face the player. But don't worry, because I'm not only a Photoshop expert, but a game dev expert, so we are already done with this as well.
Nice.
And this is how it works. Then I started to add some more lighting, because currently I place the light posts only in the street and in the parking, but fortunately it's pretty easy to add more, because I only have to duplicate it and place it wherever I want, like for example to
Uranium.
So this is how the city looked like before I added the lighting and after it, and I think it's a big improvement. Good job myself, good job. But unfortunately we still have some performance issues, because the lighting is calculated in real time. So in order to fix that we have to bake the lighting. Honestly, I didn't bake lighting many times, so I simply followed the first result that Google told me.
Step first.
In order to bake your lighting information into your light map, you need to tell Unity at least two things. Well, Unity, I love your physics, and oh, and your physics. The physics is quite good.
Step Nummer 2.
Mark your objects as static. That sounds easy. So I just select the object and check the static box for each object.
3.
Set your C-Light to baked instead of real time. Ladies and gentlemen, I mean boys, only boys. This is how the map looks like with baked lighting. Okay, it turned out that I'm not as good chef as I thought. But don't worry, because everything has a bright side, and since I changed the object to static, the performance issue is gone, which is great. But wait, what's happening here? So from the previous video, you brought many ideas on how to improve the game, like
Make the zombies destructible. Make the character smaller.
and okay, I've got only two, but feel free to write in the comment, or better, join our Discord and share your idea. We have a nice community there, and I also share details from the incoming video, like
I wonder if you can guess how I ended up editing this picture.
That's what we like to call the chair force.
Not gonna lie, never watched anything from him.
So changing the character's height is quite easy. I just modify these three numbers and it's done. Then I try to make destructible zombies, so let's see the result.
I got a bad feeling about this.
Hello there.
Oh shit, here we go again.
Alright, let's try it in the next vlog. If you like the video, smash the like button. Thanks for watching and see you next time, bye!
Did you know that atoms never touch each other? And since we're made of atoms, we've never touched anything in our entire lives. So to answer your question, officer, no, I did not punch that kid.